Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really cute box card for you. This is my Valentine's in a jar box card. How fun is that design? You have that jar full of different Valentines. It kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day candy. You have Happy Valentine's Day there in the front, those fun Valentine's balloons in the back. It folds nice and flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message, and I include an envelope as well. Now this card is really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your scoring wheel or your scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Made with Love 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2025 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope. Click on that icon to drop down the layers. Highlight that top layer. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. Let's do the same thing for the card base. And for the inside tab piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, for the card base, and for the inside tab piece, we can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish the score lines on the outside box piece. Just like that. I'll go ahead and set that to the side. And now we can fold and burnish the tabs on the inside tab piece. And set that to the side. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And now let's flip the outside box piece over and attach the messaging panel to the back. And now you can flip that over and set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all of these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the red layer, then light pink, cream, white, purple, and then the darker pink. Now I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a few minutes. Now let's go ahead and take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab here. And then I'm going to attach it on the left side, lining up the bottom and that score line. And now I'll add glue to the right tab and fold that right side over and press. Give the card a fold to make sure that everything is lying properly. Just like that. And now let's lay the card flat again. I'm going to add glue to this left tab here in the front. Take our front cover panel and attach it to the left side. And now we'll repeat that for the right side. Fold that over. Just like so. I'm going to set the card to the side so everything can dry. Now we can make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Place that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun was this card to make? I love all the different Valentines just kind of falling into the jar there. It's really cute. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.